Just like to let everyone know, this is what my dog does to my couch. This is what she does. See that? Right there? That's usually where she sleeps. Sometimes I manage to fluff this up a little bit, but usually it's scrunched all the way down because she likes to sleep in the corner. See this? See this? That's not what the couch is supposed to look like. Maggie, you little culprit. Huh? That's not what the couch is supposed to... No, we're not playing. Maggie, this is the way the couch is supposed to look. You see this? Huh? You paying attention? See? Look. There's actually a place you could sleep right there. You are the killer of pillows. You are the blonde land shark. Killer of couch pillows. She's not even paying attention. You're not scared of me, are you? No? You know I love you. And spoil you to death. This does not do it justice. The way it's filming right now, it looks very dark, but I can promise you it's very bright in here. And I just can't believe that God has blessed me with such a beautiful place. And I just feel so blessed. Except for the vacuum cleaner. But yeah, wow. I gotta remember this when I'm feeling down. Vaulted ceilings. I can't believe this is my place. I just can't believe it. Why do I have this place? I don't deserve this. Right, kitty kitty? I want to get like a really good... I think I'm going to have to go figure out a way. See, like even in here. Today is Organizational Wednesdays. I'm working on this area because I want to use it for Poshmark and just because I want to straighten it up. So that's the goal, is trying to make this look a little more presentable, because I think I'm going to take, what I do is to make this table a little bit wider is I push this table out just a couple inches and put this there, so that way it gives me just a little bit more space to work with. So I'll show you how the after looks. Alright, so here it is. Made some progress. Looks good, right? So I'm really happy I got my Frida. She's my patron saint of chronic illness. I got some of my books that I'm going to deal with. My favorite art books. This one I just like. I haven't seen it yet. And just some of my stuff. I got my fan. I got my Bible books. I've always wanted to look for really excellent illustrated Bible books, especially like with the book of Daniel, which is such an interesting book about heavenly beings and stuff like that. Anyway, I got some more art books here, down here. Just surround myself with art books. So I haven't figured out what I'm going to do with that yet, but I have to say I'm quite pleased with how this has come out.